Hi there, welcome to the School of Design and Environment. My name is Bron, a real estate business student currently studying in the School of Design and Environment, and today I'll be showing you around the school. Follow me. Our first stop would be the gallery. It's a go-to place for inspiration as I get to see the works from my seniors and friends in school. It's also super bright and airy, perfect if you need to brainstorm and think of cool project ideas. Let's take a closer look at the estate model, which is used from my friends in real estate business. Our lecturers use it to explain about urban planning and how to develop eco-friendly and sustainable spaces. Let's move on to view our workshop facilities where my friends from design bring their projects to life. In the prototyping lab, my friends use the 3D and laser printers to develop mock-ups and prototypes. She's using one right now. We're moving up to level 2, a place where design ideas are curated and grown. On this floor, we have fun discussion rooms where we can bounce off ideas and let our creativity run wild. We also learned the importance of design thinking and how to use computer-aided tools to bring our ideas to life. What are my friends doing here? I see, they're using a smart 3D process known as BIM Modeling to help plan spaces within a building. My friends from the design course always tell me how much they love working in this space. This is where they develop the design thinking skills, which are handy in improving user experiences. On this floor, we will see some labs that my friends from Hotel and Leisure Facilities Management and Real Estate Business use. This lab features the fire detection and protection system. These panels will light up when there's a fire and the sprinkler system will be activated. Seeing this room really helps me appreciate the efforts taken to keep a building safe. Our last stop will be at the Electrical Services Lab. This lab features switchboards that distributes electricity throughout the building. There's also an electrical and power lighting panel where we learn about lighting setups and how they work. That's all for the School of Design and Environment. Thank you for joining me on this tour today, and I hope to see you on campus soon. Bye!